Here we go with another one then, back in Llangollen for the third time this year. So that's a view in the distance there of the Panorama Mountain. Wanted to do this one for a while. Limestone rock for all you geologists out there. And that's Castell Dinas Bran there in the distance, which I done earlier in the year. Lovely, nice trick. 13th century castle built by the Prince of Paris, apparently. So we're making our way up into the mountain now, a bit of scrambling. Making our way up there to the top.
Don't rush. No rush.
Yeah, so we've done the scrambling bit and we're up to the top part of the Panorama World's End now. Not really saying much on this one, just taking in the amazing views really. As I say, I love Llangollen, absolutely superb place. Yeah, there's Dan, Dan's along today, so good to have a bit of company. Right, is this that part where, if I remember right, on the reviews, I said something about the farmer? Remember that?
Yeah, about the
some of the
fence.
Yeah, some sound, didn't I?
Yeah.
Bit awkward to get on, but
Yeah, they're each funny, but in a way they make sense, don't they, really?
yeah.
Phenomenal.
Ah, coming up to 4 mile then.
have been down that way. Hey.
So in the distance there you got the highest point in Denbighshire, Moel Gamelin, Moel Fern, Moel Gain and Moel Morford. So beautiful. Yeah, so there was a massive fire over there on Moel Morford and Moel Gamelin in 2018. Used to be like all heather on the sides of the mountain, but fortunately a fire destroyed it all. But still a great mountain though. Well, technically it's just under a mountain.
You all saw that about the electric fence.
What was that? Oh yeah, on the review. Oh, that's a good one though, isn't it?
Yeah. Something different.
Well, that's the summit of the Panorama Mountain / World's End / Craigie Forewind. There's a few names for it really, but Llangollen, the Panorama Mountain. Absolutely beautiful, highest point. Peace. No.
Slightly different, unusually. Oh, quarry in it.
Yeah, so on all trails it says to park here, but as you can see from the sign it's private, so don't listen to all trails. They messed it up, they mess it up quite often to be honest with parking, so be careful there.
Welcome to Mid Adventures.
Right, so that's the end of the Panorama Mountain / World's End in Llangollen. I'm actually going to come back, to be honest, and get some I'm going to go along the cliff edge next time and get some drone footage for you. But another amazing one, absolutely lovely, and thanks to Dan for coming along as well. So
no problem.
Peace, see you next
Right,
time. How been you?
Oh, it's already.
Can you? Knocking on. And all you really want is knocking off, isn't it, to be fair. So there's Moel Gamelin and there's Moel Jimmy. Fucking knobbit. Hang on, this sheep's going wild here, isn't he? Calm down. So yeah, as I keep saying, and I wish I could stop saying it because I'm sick of it. There's Moel Gamelin there in the distance.